It is about your commitment. It is about your passion, your love for your state, for your country. I've said before, party does not provide leadership. Leadership is in you. Take me to any party today, Labour Party, YPP, 0PP, NPP, anything, I will perform. Because it's me. Party is a vehicle that takes you to your destination for you to actualize your capacity. And that's what we're doing today. Every day, commissioning, flagging up. Every day. We're not doing on Monday because our leader will be having 74th birthday. So we honor him that day. From Tuesday again, we'll start. Commissioning, flagging off, commissioning, flagging off. People are dying. It's not my business. You die. They bury you. You die. After the population of Nigeria is too much. So we want to see how the population will come down. So it's not my business. If you want to die, you die. I have not started politics. All I'm doing now is to deliver dividends of democracy. That's my business. When I start politics, I will shock them.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.